What if innovation met French excellence? At Kalstein, your satisfaction has always been our top priority. For more than 30 years, we have been designing high-quality medical, scientific, veterinary, and dental equipment trusted by professionals worldwide. Our mission has always been simple: deliver performance, reliability, and innovation that truly make a difference. Today, we are proud to take a major step forward. Kalstein is now made in France. This means equipment designed and manufactured with French precision, supported by advanced quality control, and built to deliver long-lasting performance you can rely on every day. But we are going even further. Kalstein now offers OEM manufacturing made in France, giving you the opportunity to create and develop your own brand, powered by our engineering expertise and production capabilities. We manufacture for you, under your brand, ensuring the same standards of excellence, reliability, and quality that define Kalstein. Stay tuned to discover more.